ay hindi ko palalampasin. So, sa makita na natin, no, the pronouncements of the President, meron ng bias doon.
Ay aking papalagan.
Yes, ma'am. The lawyers presented me with options and I asked them if I needed to go to the NBI for the subpoena, and then they said that I have options not to go. I can send a letter, I can send a position paper, I can send an affidavit. And so we decided that a letter will be sent to the NBI. And then with regard to patas, I don't think magiging patas itong investigasyon na ito dahil kung nakita nyo naman yung mensahe ng Pangulo na sinabi niya na ganitong kriminal na mga, sorry hindi ko maalala yung exact.
Pahayag na narinig natin itong mga nakarang araw. Nandyan ang walang pakundangang pagmumura at ang pagbabanta ng kung ganun na lang kadali ang pagplano sa paano pa kaya ang mga pangkaraniwan na mamamayan. Yung ganyang kriminal na pagtatangka ay hindi dapat pinapalampas. Yan ay aking papalagan.
Yes. Sinabi niya, ganitong mga kriminal na gawain ay hindi ko palalampasin. So, sa makita na natin, no, the pronouncements of the President, meron ng bias doon. And kung nakita niyo rin yung interview ng isang USEC ng Department of Justice.
To protect our duly elected president, the self-confessed mastermind will now face legal consequences. The National Bureau of Investigation, who has primary jurisdiction to conduct an investigation whenever a threat to the presidency is made known. And we will use all the resources of government, all law enforcement agents, to find out the identity with the full force of the law.
Sinabi niya, a threat is a threat. Well, if you're a lawyer, you would argue na no, there's several kinds of threats. But nakita niyo na doon pa lang sinabi na niya kung ano yung position niya. At as a USEC of DOJ, we expect that that is the position of the Department of Justice. So kahit pa man pumunta ako doon, hindi ako pumunta doon, we believe, and I believe, that we, meaning the lawyers and I, believe that cases will be filed. So kahit pang sabihin nila na merong investigasyon, sa simula pa lang, nagdesisyon na sila na mag-file sila ng cases.
Clarification lang, nabanggit niyo po, nagpalaki lang.
Hindi na. Tinanong ko sa lawyer kung idadagdag ko pa ba yung affidavit ko. Sabi niya hindi na daw kasi nilagay ko naman na doon sa letter, kung ano yung sasabihin ko sa affidavit. Thank you.